Those dang stink bugs. Here on the East Coast, we call them stink bugs. You touch them, they put off a heck of an odor. However, they love propane.
I'm Missy.
I'm Mike.
And we're the Campoholics.
Alright, Campoholics, I have a lot of soot being blown up the side of my camper from the hot water heater. So I'm trying to inspect it, trying to figure out what's going on. And as I read the cautions right here. Burner tube. Spiders or insects can build nests in the burner tube, causing obstructions. Indicators of obstruction are change in burner sound, which there is a change in my sound. Change in flame appearance from a hard blue flame to a soft lazy flame, very yellow flame, sooting condition. Regularly inspect and clean burner to prevent obstructions. Well, I definitely have a soft lazy flame and I have soot. So what I'm going to do is when this cools off, I'm going to take this burner tube off and inspect it and see if we got any obstructions in there. These damn stink bugs probably get into anything around here, so I'm going to take this apart, check it out, find out what is going on with this flame and why we have a sooty condition and a soft yellow flame per the caution. Alright, let's see what's going on. Alright, I went ahead and shut it off. We're going to let it cool off a little bit. But as you can see, got a soot issue going on here from our last camper trip. And I could hear a difference in the flame from that roar, I guess the strong flame sound, because right here is my bed in this slide. And I would hear this at night, so I could hear that sound. Now the sound has diminished quite a bit, and like I said, we're have a soot buildup. So I'm going to take this apart, I'll shut it off, we're going to let it cool. We'll take this tube out and see if there's an obstruction in there, just like the caution or on the label says. So we'll check this out and see what's going on in here. All right, switch to the GoPro since it gets you some better picture quality here. But we have several points of contact, so to speak. We got one here, one here. All right, so I'm going to try and get this off and see what's going on in here. See if there's a bug trapped in that darn thing. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, I've taken that screw off and this one off, and you're able to turn this. I'm looking inside there, and you can see there's a damn stink bug right in that tube, right at that elbow. It's causing that obstruction. All right, so I'll try and get this bug out, this bugger out of here, and when we see if we can clear this issue up. Let's see what happens. Got my little trusty DeWalt shop vac. Should be perfect size. We'll see if I can suck that sucker out. Stand by. All right, he gone. He gone. No obstructions in there. So you don't have to get too deep into this. Take that, let me see here, we can take this screw off right here to pivot this, and the one where it connects right here, and we should be good to go. So I'm going to put that exactly in the place it was. And we're going to fire her back up and see if we have all systems go. All right, as you can see, it's a little tight in here, but that's what I'm dealing with. So I'll go ahead and take this one back up. All right, we're all back together. Everything's tight, secure. We're gonna go inside, hit the switch, and check our flame. Oh yeah, even sounds better. Now that's the sound I'm familiar with. So we got a nice tight blue flame. What a difference. So a simple fix. We didn't have to take it to a service center or nothing like that. Just open our flap, read some tips on this, and we were able to solve the problem. By the way, make sure you have a nice little toolkit in your RV so you're able to accomplish these tasks. This is a Stanley 173 piece kit. I got it at the Lowe's, so I keep this in my unit and it happened to work out great. All right, folks, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, ring the bell for notifications. This was a simple solution to a little bit of a problem we had blowing soot all over and a big flame. This water heater was not performing well with that obstruction of that bug, that stink bug in the tube. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Oh, I forgot to mention, what's funny is I was going to do a video on these Camco bug screens that I have on my furnace and the water heater, and apparently they still got in there somehow. So, well, there's a bend right there, there's a crease right there. I could probably push that in and get that thing to close a little bit better. But I got these Camco bug screens on here to keep them out of the vents. But right there, she's sitting off. And right here, this is bent out, so she's not shutting all the way. So that's probably how the bugs got in there. All right, I thought I'd mention that tip while I had you here. Ring the bell for notifications, subscribe below. Bye.